What's going on, everyone? Today and for the next couple days, Taylor and I are actually staying here at Disney's Vero Beach Resort. It is a Disney Vacation Club resort, and we are using our points to stay here. And not that it was necessarily planned this way, but we decided that we would celebrate the 10 years that we have been together, not the 10 years we've been married, because we haven't been married for 10 years, we've been together for 10 years. So we're here at Disney's Vero Beach. It is, so far, looks pretty nice, but we're going to check out the rest of the resort, do a little resort tour, and show you our room. So I guess that's it. Let's do it. Let's go this way, somewhere.
So we're in this little room that's like right outside of the spa, and there's 4 little tables in here, and on top of each of the tables there is like a board game basically in the table, so you can already play. They have Tower of Terror, Clue, they have Disney Monopoly, they have Disney Vacation Club, Clue, and then they also have I think it's like a DVC Scrabble. It's pretty cool. You just need your little like pieces, but your board's already on the table. Good to go. And those pieces that you need, you can just get them at the front desk.
All right, so this is the lobby area. It's actually really nice and open. And you've got the store over here, and then there's the restaurants that are down here. But now we're gonna head upstairs and show you our room.
So as part of our little resort tour, we're stopping here for lunch. We gotta refuel. We are at Wind and Waves Market. That's like their little counter service area that they have here, and it's right beside the big pool. And for my lunch, I got an Italian sandwich. It looks very good. The sandwich can also be served hot or cold, and it's just a sandwich. It doesn't come with any sides or anything, but it's really good, and it's a big sandwich. It's got some nice Italian meat on there, provolone cheese, and it's definitely capicola ham because it's a little bit spicy, but it's really good.
I've got the grilled mahi sandwich. Comes with tartar sauce, lettuce, tomato on a bun, and this actually comes with a side of fries. Fries are pretty good. They are your standard Walt Disney World Resort French fries. One thing to keep in mind is that they don't put the tartar sauce on the side. It actually comes on the bread, so if you want it on the side, you should probably ask for it. But really great. Fish is cooked really well. Tartar sauce adds a nice little bit of tang to it, and it's good. Bun's not hard and crusty or anything like that, so I think this was about $10, which is basically what I would expect to pay at any Disney resort. So not too bad as far as food goes so far. Good little lunch. Okay, so that concludes the little resort tour. It's actually very nice. I think one thing that's really great about this is that it feels very secluded.
Yes,
compared to like a normal Disney resort at Walt Disney World, where there's always a lot of people out and about moving around. There's always a lot of kids. This actually seems a lot more like an adult place to go. You know, you have the spa there, which I know we didn't get any video of because we can't go into the spa, but the pool's very nice. Not a ton of people there. Now this is kind of like more of an off season because this is like the first week of November, and it's unusually chilly today also.
A little cold.
But it's still very nice.
When we were like walking around to go find the fire pit, there was nobody on the walkway, like not a soul.
Yeah.
So that was like very different than what we're used to with all the hustle and bustle in Disney World. But this is definitely still a great place for families. We just thought maybe it was a little more adult oriented because it's so much more calm and relaxing here. Basically for kids, there is mini golf. There's a big Mickey shaped pool with a slide, and then you have the beach, of course, but
yeah.
Other than that, it's mostly like adult type relaxation, it seems like.
It does seem that way for the most part. So, and this is only our first day here, so we have a few more days to actually walk around, check it out, and see what else there is to do if we missed anything.
Yep, and we will have a couple dining reviews for you from the Wind and Waves restaurant.
Yeah.
We're going to do dinner and brunch.
And probably some other local places from around Vero Beach.
Are.
Or Vero Beach area.
Yeah, whatever it is. And we still don't know how to end a video.